Hi, my name is Kesman Willard, the Marketing and Public Relations Representative here at Bose Construction, to inform you in a short little video about the retail aggregate products that we have to offer at Bose Construction. At Bose Construction, we offer a wide variety of products, so this short video is meant to cover each one of our products about the best uses, applications, and how to use them. We're going to take you into the mine, do a quick little tour of each one of our piles. You'll be able to see our materials firsthand for yourself, so you know the best way to use our products for your projects moving forward. Let's go to the mine. Our first product that we have to offer here at Bose Construction, and probably our most popular product, is our 1-inch crushed base course. Now, 1-inch crushed base course consists of fines as well as 1-inch size rocks, so that allows for that binder to match with that rock, which allows for great compaction and stability. Now, you can imagine there are some advantages with this 1-inch product. First of all of our product is going to meet DOT specifications here at Bose Construction. 1-inch base course also has the ability for multiple uses and multiple different things. On top of that too, it's going to allow for great compaction and stability because it has the fines with the rock. Now, the application for our 1-inch base course is a few different ways you can use it. One, underneath asphalt paving, it makes a great base for foundation for asphalt pavement. On top of that, it makes a great base for concrete pavement, and as well as, because of the multiple uses, it can be used for unpaved shoulders, roadways, parking lots, as well as gravel driveways. So one of the products that we have to offer here at Bose Construction are our asphalt millings. How asphalt millings are made is it's recycled asphalt that comes off of existing roadways. We then bring that here and we have that option for an aggregate product. Now, some of the advantages with our asphalt millings. One, it's black in color, so therefore it's great in the wintertime in South Dakota because it helps melt that snow and ice. Another thing with that is the aggregate here is coated in that old oil residue. So what happens then when you pack this material down, it really gets hard and firm because that oil still acts like a binder in there. Now, another cool thing with our asphalt millings is it's very cost effective when compared to our hot mix asphalt that comes out of the asphalt plant. Now, what do you think? What do you use asphalt millings for? Well, there's a few applications for asphalt millings that we've seen. One, it works great as like a feedlot material for feedlots because it's getting a lot of foot traffic from those cattle. Also, driveways, roadways, and pathways, it's going to be a great material where you're not really going to have to touch and address the material much because of that oil-like residue binding and keeping that material in place. On top of that as well, we've also seen applications for silage pads as well as yard storage for lumber, heavy objects. So that's lumber, steel, etc. So that is our asphalt millings. Let's go on to the next one. Our next product that we have to offer here at Bose Construction is our crushed concrete. How we make our crushed concrete is we take sidewalks, roadways, and we bring that material back here, run it through the crusher to make a 1-inch aggregate. Now, some advantages with this material, because we run it through the crusher to make the 1-inch aggregate, it creates a lot of fractures on the rock. So therefore, when you lay this material down, it allows for great spacing in between the material, which allows for great drainage. On top of that, it's gray in color, so it has an aesthetic and a great eye appeal when it comes to landscaping projects. On top of that too, this material is recycled, so therefore it is environmentally friendly. Now, the best uses for crushed concrete, one is going to be for garden beds, pathways, retaining walls, for that landscape eye appeal. On top of that too, it allows for great drainage. So for pipe filling, backfilling on top of pipes, it's going to be a great material for that, as well as parking pads and roadways that may take a lot of water, where you want that material to really stay in place and handle that drainage in that water. Another product that we have to offer here at Bose Construction is our recycled asphalt and concrete blend. Similarly to our recycled asphalt and our crushed concrete, this combines both of those recycled materials together to achieve some awesome advantages. With that, the crushed concrete allows for great drainability. The asphalt allows for great compaction. So when you combine those together, we receive awesome compaction and drainability. On top of that as well, this is very environmentally friendly because it is a recycled product, and extremely weather resistant because it has the drainability and the compaction. Now, the best applications for our blend is going to be commercial storage lots, as well as walkways, driveways, and pathways that may receive a lot of water because this is going to stay in one spot, as well as landscaping needs for garden beds, pathways, and walkways throughout your property. Our next product that we offer here at Bose Construction is our Oversized Rock. This material consists of rocks that are 2 inches in size all the way up to that 6-inch size. The advantage with the oversized rock is just the sheer size alone. Now, the best applications for our oversized rock is one, erosion control, dealing with water runoff to kind of keep the bank stabilized. Also, it works great around culverts and pipe where water runoff or water might be passing through because this rock will stay in place. Also, another application for the oversized rock is repairing maybe a roadway or pathway that may have been washed out. You put the oversized rock down and then you can backfill with base course on top. Our next product that we have to offer here at Bose Construction is our black dirt. Our black dirt is simply made by using our scrapers and our bulldozers, stripping off topsoil from our job sites. This is not going to be a screened material. Now, some of the advantages with our black dirt is one, because of the high plasticity that it offers, it's a great water retainage and it holds that water. Also, because this is a native soil to the area, it's filled with nutrients that are great for growing gardens, etc. On top of that too, this material does pack down, so if it's something that, hey, I want to do a black dirt pathway throughout my landscape, it does work for that as well. Now, that leads me into my applications for the black dirt. One, it's going to be great for filling any of those unwanted holes from tree removals that you may have in your yard. If you're looking to do a garden, this material is going to be great for that if you need some black dirt to add in the area, as well as landscaping if you need to dress up any areas with any of that topsoil or black dirt. That is going to be the best applications for Bose Construction's black dirt. Our next product that we offer here at Bose Construction is our engineered fill. Our engineered fill is simply made through the crushing process. When we make 1-inch base course, this would be the fine material that we get from that crushing process. Therefore, it consists of small rock, sand, and clay that are broken down into fine particles. Now, what are some of the advantages with our engineered fill? First, it's going to be great for compaction because of the fine-like properties that it has. It's very easy to manipulate as well because of the fines. And on top of that, it's going to allow for great drainage because of the sand-like properties. But the best of all is this is the most cost-effective material that we offer here at Bose Construction. Now, the best applications for our engineered fill is going to be backfills for sheds, it's going to be pipe fills, it's going to be for bridge approaches, as well as landscaping needs. And also, it's a very great material to use for playgrounds and volleyball courts. That is our engineered fill that we offer here at Bose Construction. Different from our 1-inch base course, at Bose Construction, we also offer a 3/4 inch gravel cushion. Now, through the crushing process, this aggregate is going to be a 3/4 inch in size and will have more rock relative to the fines, making a lower plasticity index. Now, because of the more rock relative to the fines, there are some advantages with this material. One, it's going to be great material that handles drainage well because of the added rock content, as well as it still has some fines, so this material will pack really well still. Now, the best applications for our gravel cushion is going to be driveways, roadways, walkways, pathways, and parking lots that may take on a little bit more water and have to shed that water. This material will stay in place because it has that fines, and like I said, it does have that rock, so it will still allow for the proper drainage. Another aggregate option that we have to offer here at Bose Construction is our 3/4 inch gravel surfacing. Now, this material is different than our 1-inch base course and our 3/4 inch gravel cushion because in the crushing process, this material is going to have more fines relative to the 3/4 inch aggregate that it's comprised of. Now, because of the higher fines and the lower rock content, this is going to have a higher plasticity index, which leads to some awesome advantages. One, this material is going to pack very well because of the higher fine content. It's going to stay in place. On top of that as well, because of the higher fine content and packability, it's going to be less susceptible to water seepage and not allow as much drainage through this material. Now, the applications for our 3/4 inch gravel surfacing, this will work great on roadways, pathways, gravel parking lots, gravel driveways, that you really want this material to stay in place and that won't be taking on a lot of water. That's our 3/4 inch gravel surfacing that we offer here at Bose Construction.